A very warm welcome to my TikTok presentation. This is Mohammad Fayek from Mechanical Ranch and my roll number is 326 and I am here to give TikTok presentation on probability and statistics, and my topic name is distribution functions and expectation. And moving further, random variable. A random variable x takes on a defined set of values with different probabilities. For example, if you roll a die, the outcome is random. It is not fixed and there are 6 possible outcomes, each of which occur with probability 1/6. For example, if you poll people about their voting preferences, the percentage of the sample that respond yes on proposition 100 is also a random variable. The percentage will be slightly different every time you poll. Roughly, probability is how frequently we expect different outcomes to occur if we repeat the experiment over and over. So random variables can be discrete or continuous. Discrete random variables have a countable number of outcomes. Example, dead or alive, treatment or placebo, dies, counts, etc. Continuous random variables have an infinite continuum of possible values. Example, blood pressure, weight, the speed of car, the real numbers from 1 to 6. So this is the continuous random variable and this is the discrete. Discrete may not be defined. Discrete may not be. They have they have only a countable number of outcomes, either 2 or 3 or 1. The cumulative distribution function. This on the x-axis is x and on y-axis is p of x, polynomial of x. So getting a chance of 1 is 1 by 6, getting a chance of 2 is 1 by 3, as we can see. Cumulative distribution function in the x and p of x less than or equal to a 1, x less than or equal to 1 is 1 by 6. 2, probability of x less than or equal to 2 is 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. For 3, probability of getting x less than or equal to 3 is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. 4, probability of getting x is less than or equal to 4 is 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. So here we can see the probabilities of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is some examples. What's the probability that you roll what's the probability that you roll a 3 or less? Probability of x or equal to 3 is 1 by 2. Probability that you roll 5 or higher, that is probability 1 minus 1. So these are some examples, and another example is the uniform distribution. All values are equally likely. The uniform distribution f of x equals to 1 for 1 less than 1 greater than or equal to x greater than equal to 0. We can see it's a probability distribution because it integrates to 1. The area under the curve is the area of the curve is 1, and the on a expectation value in probability and statistics, the expectation or expected value is the weighted average value of a random variable. Expectation of continuous random variable e of x is equals to integral from minus infinity to infinity x into probability of x dx. E of x is the expectation value of the continuous random variable x. X is the value of continuous random variable x. P of x is probability density function, and this is the expectation value. These are the examples, and this is a cumulative distribution function, and this is on a graph, and this is the discrete random variables and continuous random variables, and this one is a random variable. So this is what my topic on distribution functions and expectations. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I would like to end my presentation.